So just a quick section on actuators and drivers. So in order to actually operate a mechanism, right, something needs to actually start the movement of the mechanism, right? And this is going to be the actuator or the driver. So it provides input, motion, and energy to our mechanism. So to precisely operate the mechanism, one driver is required for each degree of freedom exhibited. So, like we saw in our 2 degree of freedom mechanism, we had two drivers. In our 1 degree of freedom mechanism, we'll have one, and so on and so forth. Just to list out some common drivers, electric motors, we'll see a lot, and we'll see a lot of hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders, but also screws, servo motors, engines, all of these can be drivers for a mechanism.